This is day 7 of my series of becoming a profitable trader as a 17-year-old, and in today's video I'm going to be going over a trade that I took today on gold. And I took this trade in school, and I'm going to be going over the confluences as well as the reasons why I took this trade and whether or not news affected my trade at all. So this is the trade that I took in class. I executed this trade at around 10:25 a.m. EST, so I was in AP World class at this time, and I got exited out of the trade at around 2 p.m. EST. So you can consider this a short-term trade or a day trade. And let's go right into the confluences. So you see that there was a swing low down here. Let's get the horizontal ray. You see that there was a swing low down here. That price eventually swept, and then after sweeping this swing low, price started to consolidate. If you drop down to the 1-minute chart and go back to where that happened, you see price started to consolidate within this range. And then if you go back to the 5-minute chart, after consolidating for a while, you see that price started to create a fair value gap. And this is my first confluence. This fair value gap created at 10:20 at the low of 22.95.51, as well as this swing high up here, which delineates an ICT breaker block. So there's two confluences for this trade, fair value gap as well as the ICT breaker block. Where was my take profit? Excuse me. Let's place a horizontal line up here to see where it was. It was at this fair value gap up here at the beginning of this fair value gap. So it was there. I placed my take profit there to fill it in. And eventually price did fill it in, but I wanted to play it safe and place it at the bottom of the fair value gap. But price ultimately hit my take profit. Where was my stop loss? It was at the open of this fair value gap candle created at, let's be precise here, 10:15. So the risk to reward ratio for this trade is 1.75 to 1. My stop loss was 722. My take profit was 1264. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Right, once again, two confluences, ICT breaker block as well as the fair value gap. I hope you guys learned something from this. I'm gonna be starting to post more. I've been slacking on my videos, I know. I'm gonna be posting more on YouTube as well as Instagram. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.